What is Acurast? Acurast is a system that lets people rent out the computing power of their mobile phones. For example, you can connect an old smartphone to the Acurast network, place it in a drawer and receive rewards for it. Companies that need a server, for instance, to operate a website or an online platform, can do so directly through Acurast instead of renting from large data centers like Amazon.
In which ways is it better than traditional cloud providers?
Acurast is a system that lets people rent out the computing power of their mobile phones. For example, you can connect an old smartphone to the Acurast network, place it in a drawer, and receive rewards for it. Companies that need a server, for instance, to operate a website or an online platform, can do so directly through Acurast instead of renting from large data centers like Amazon, GCP, or other providers. There are four main differences to centralized cloud providers. The first one is that it is more secure. Smartphones have very secure hardware elements that are very specifically designed to keep your secrets safe and confidential. These secure chips can work on data in a confidential and secure manner beyond what is possible on centralized clouds as of today. Second of all, it is more cost efficient. Currently, for the same amount of computing power, Acurast is 7 times more affordable than conventional centralized cloud servers. Third of all, it is more resilient. If a company has all its data on a single Amazon server or data center, that is a so-called single point of failure. This can lead to censorship or hacker attacks and thus to loss of data. Also, you can simply be excluded by the company that runs these data centers as well. With Acurast, the calculations run on thousands of distributed smartphones worldwide. This makes the network significantly more robust against outages, censorship, or geopolitical risks in general. Fourth, it is more environmentally friendly. While data centers require massive amounts of resources, Acurast primarily uses mobile phones that would otherwise be unused. Additionally, mobile processors consume less electricity than standard server hardware.
What is the Acurast token?
When companies require computing power, they pay the protocol for it using the Acurast token. If you provide computing power, you get the Acurast token as a reward in return. Just like any other utility token, the token's price can fluctuate.
How much can I earn?
How much rewards you can get in the ACU token really relates to how much hardware or compute power you provide to the network. So this can be multiple phones or a couple of very strong phones that you provide to the network, and relative to the complete network power, you will get rewarded.
How can I start?
It's very simple. Download the Lite processor app and get rewards. Just make sure your phone remains online and powered on. If you want to grow your farm, of course, buy more phones and then you will get more rewards.